You do not need a brush, just paint. Post 31. Somewhere along my art route, I met a friend who was studying art, and his art academy told him to use a limited palette to enhance something in their paintings. To be honest, I really can't remember which colors I had to use, but in this painting you see the hues. I vaguely remember thinking at the time that the colors were rather dull, but I wanted to try my hand at using a limited palette. See if you can figure out which colors I used. I met another friend at another junction who told me that she was into painting with her fingers. No brushes required. So I decided to combine the advice these two art friends had given me at various coffee shops, and this painting is the result of a limited palette and my version of a hands-on approach. Can you see where I used my fingers? I am, like most artists or creatives perhaps, fond of all the colors all the time, and I enjoy acquiring functional material or tools for making art. However, this painting was a good exercise for me at the time, even though I don't paint like this now, because it showed me that I can actually create something beautiful with fewer colors and fewer tools. Often we succumb to the notion that we need a range of things to turn on our creative thrust. But if we were to sit quietly and take stock of what we in fact already do have, we will fly much sooner, faster, and higher than we initially envisaged. Less is often indeed more.